Thanks, man.
All right, guys, we're back up here at this new house. This morning I stopped at Richard's Building Supply and picked up some high temp weather watch, and I also stopped at the lumberyard and picked up an extra LVL, which I threw on the pile there. These corners on the hips on both sides get a double LVL as a rafter. So we had 3 on the ground here. We needed 1 more in order to finish up the corners. So we're just getting everything prepped. Once my father gets here, he's gonna make a template and we'll finish these corners up. The guy's got the entire roof sheathed so far up into the corners. All 3 sides, the front and the 2 sides, are complete. We're just going around picking up all the garbage and getting it in the mason dump right now. There is a transfer station about 10 minutes away from here. Today is Friday, so before we get out of here for the weekend, we're gonna get this job site as clean as we can. But there is a bunch of different things going on today. We have the stairs getting thrown in. We have a wall right here getting moved. This wall, actually, he moved it already. Oh no, he didn't move it, sorry. Ladder was blocking the mark. Wall's getting moved to right there, and then this wall is getting taken out. So this will be one big room with a more wide opening here. Rodrigo's cutting the staircase open. Well, he might have finished it. It looks like it is. That plywood up there was about 3/8 of an inch over the opening, so we had to cut it. But we have these 2 sets of stairs to get thrown in today. Let me just take a walk around the outside. This is all good material, good material. Looks like most of the garbage is picked up, but you can see they got all of the plywood. Well, maybe you can't see. As I get farther and farther away, I'm going downhill, so we can't see the plywood, but I can show you from underneath here. You can see it's all complete in here. We have the same situation in this corner as well. This is going to get a double LVL right in the hip. We have the string line there already. So once my father gets here, we'll get the templates made, get these last rafters cut, and get this roof plywooded. All right, guys, so we just finished up lunch. We're getting back to work. We did not work on the rafters at all this morning, but about to head out there and work on them right now. We set these 2 staircases. This one needs a little bit of work up here, which I was unaware of. I went around and tacked down plywood around this whole area, not knowing that we have to raise the floor up here. So you can see the staircase was built for the raised floor, and I didn't realize that. Well, I didn't know about it until we went to put this staircase in. So after we set this staircase, we had to go around and pull all the plywood up. Obviously this one has the post and the brace, so I'm not going to pull that out quite yet, but when we have to frame the floor up, we can pull that out. So we set this staircase. It looks very nice, and we also set this lower staircase, which is also very nice. See the exposed treads down here. Looks very good in here.
nice and flush because this side is getting burned out. Good. Bobby, let the weight down. Oh. Let the weight down. Let it up. Now?
I gotta wear shin guards.
Right there, right there.